we're going to have to really be careful bending these because we want them to really look nice. We have curlicues like this for when we're cutting out the wings. And when I say we have curlicue, we have like a lot of these little things. But his little mouth thing is like a weird curlicue, which is cool. So we're just going to make this tighter. If we can make a wing out of just junk scraps, just kind of piece them together and create like a really random pattern. That's kind of cool. So in the world of scrap metal pieces, we have millions of these. And if we could just arrange them together and weld them together, maybe cut them in different shapes and things like that, just to create more of an aesthetic, we can create our butterfly wing. Because like I have a bunch of these little pieces, and granted it wouldn't be a mirror image, but still might be cool. But you know, how cool is it that we can create a wing, right? I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it like a weird mosaic, and just kind of put these things together to form a wing. And just, you know, just tack them together and keep a lot of space in between them. Maybe for the body, there's a little ridge here. I don't know, that's a lot of thickness. We'll see. That didn't strike me as wrong. Look at that. These actually look like they make really nice legs, but I don't have 4 of them. Nearly perfect. Nice, sweet little tack. Didn't really heat up the metal. So what you're looking at here is I am placing the second wing on top of the first wing to create a mirror image of the first and placing the metal in the very similar places and tacking it in. Okay, so what happened here, guys, is that I switched over to a flat disc, which is 120 grit instead of like a 60 grit grinding wheel, just to make a smoother, shinier finish on my metal and to make my welds look really nice and smooth. Wow, check him out. And so coming full circle, as we talked about in the beginning of our video about how important it is to shape those antennae, we'll have this forming hammer that has a nice curve to it, and using that curve I was able to create the nice beautiful antenna that the butterfly has. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe at the bottom or comment, tell me you like it, tell me you didn't like it. Subscribe to the video. I'll be making more art And so you can see my creation process and how I go about it. And thanks again for watching. This is Michael. Forge on and create beautiful things.